In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hire a GoHighLevel Virtual Assistant. This is a comprehensive guide from defining your needs to scaling your operation, all focused on maximizing the benefits of hiring a skilled virtual assistant. First, clarify what you want your virtual assistant to do. GoHighLevel VAs typically manage tasks like handling your contacts and pipelines, setting up funnels or landing pages, and creating and scheduling email and SMS campaigns. They might also build workflows, update calendars, manage your dashboard, respond to leads, and handle client onboarding. To make this process easier, jot down the 5 to 7 GoHighLevel tasks that consume most of your time. This will form the core of your job description. Next, decide on the type of VA you need. Generally, there are a few options. A general VA for basic tasks, a specialized GHL expert VA who handles more complex setups like funnels and automations, or an agency/white label GHL assistant for larger scale operations. If you're a business coach or course creator, a mid-level GHL VA might be just right, usually costing around $10-15 per hour. Writing a clear job description is crucial. Include details about your business, the platforms you use, specific tasks, work hours, time zone, and the communication tools you'll employ. List the skills required, such as CRM familiarity and knowledge of funnels and workflows. An example snippet could be, we're looking for a GoHighLevel virtual assistant to help manage CRM automations and client onboarding workflows with at least 6 months of experience in GHL and excellent English communication skills. Once you have your job description, it's time to post your listing. Trusted platforms like onlinejobs.ph, Upwork, Fiverr, and the GHL Certified Partners Directory are ideal places to find qualified candidates. Remember to include keywords such as GoHighLevel experience required to attract the right people. Screening candidates is a vital step, focusing on their experience with workflows and automations, English proficiency, and compatibility with your schedule. Ask them questions about their experience with GoHighLevel, their favorite features, and their availability in your time zone. Before making a full-time commitment, give a paid test task. This might involve building a simple automation, creating a 2-step funnel, or adding contacts into a pipeline. Paying for the task, even a small amount, ensures you're engaging serious, skilled applicants. Once you choose a VA, onboard them by providing access to your GoHighLevel account and walking them through your business goals and workflows. Use tools like Google Drive or Notion to store training materials, making it easy for them to follow your processes. Establish a weekly system to keep everything aligned. Hold brief check-ins to review leads generated, updated workflows, and upcoming priorities. Use a shared project tool to track tasks. As your business grows, delegate more tasks, train your VA to monitor analytics, and eventually consider promoting them to a GoHighLevel Systems Manager role. By following these steps, you'll not only find the perfect GoHighLevel virtual assistant, but also set up a productive and scalable working relationship.